This is my 2016 GTI right here. And today we're going to be installing the Beri-Bäcker FF-2 diffuser. Oh, this is the brand right here. And we're going to be installing this diffuser on my car. It's going to go right here. And the neat thing, it also came with the side pieces. So this one's gonna go on this side right here.
Oh! Damn, that's a bill.
Yep. So this shit broke. Nice.
We out here.
So I'm gonna take off the clips.
Say it louder for the people in the back.
This isn't what comes with your car, but I broke mine because they were plastic clips when I was painting this diffuser.
Let me go get a close up actually. Where's that?
Like it's not coming out, bruh.
Yeah, so he wasn't turning it right.
Yeah, so one's over here. So one's right here. And the other one's right here.
So you got
After that, you're just gonna pop it. And those come out. And you're gonna get two of these.
put it in the little tray over there. I supplied for you today.
Yep. And now we're gonna mop this up. And that's how it's gonna sit right there. And now we just have to hold it up and screw in the holes.
That looks pretty dope.
Now we're gonna go in there with this. In the clips, we already made the holes and we're putting in the clips back on now. I just took these off so I could have more clearance, and yeah, so we're just
putting on the clips from the stock diffuser, right?
Yeah, putting in the clips from the stock diffuser.
And then
Alright, so the clips are back on. We have that one and that one, and then we have one of the screws to hold up some of the diffuser. Now we're gonna finish putting it back up again. But this part should be easy now. Can't get my head up. Right here, we're putting on the last one. just finished finished screwing it up. So now it's all complete. Now for the finishing touch, we're gonna put this on.
Oh, that's where you're gonna put it right there?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go right here. Or should I not? Or should I just... I kinda wanna have it like back here.
Yeah, that's dope right there.
And there you go, that completes the install.
Damn, so heavy he broke the wood.
Yeah.